Only 6 days left until Heartland returns with Season 19, and honestly, the excitement is unreal. It feels like we've been waiting forever to finally see Amy and Nathan together, and now it's happening. I can already feel that mix of comfort and drama coming back. And let's be honest, we've all missed the ranch, right? But here's the good part. I've gathered everything you need to know about Episode 1, and trust me, it's worth the wait. So let's dive straight in. The first episode is titled Risk Everything. The official synopsis says, a raging wildfire threatens the ranch, forcing the Heartland family to evacuate. But when a pregnant mare is trapped in the fire's path, Amy risks everything to try and save her. That's exactly the kind of opening we expect from Heartland. Intense, emotional, and full of courage. And it sets the tone for the entire season. This year, everyone will be pushed to their limits. Amy, Nathan, Tim, Lou, Jack, every single one of them. The logline even says it perfectly. The Bartlett-Fleming family must risk everything to keep Heartland and those they love out of harm's way. Now, let's talk about the one thing we've all been dying to see. Amy and Nathan together. Their chemistry has been building for so long, and now they finally have the chance to make it work. But things won't be easy. Amy is already juggling so much. She's a mother, a horse trainer, and now she's trying to balance her relationship too. Nathan, on the other hand, is doing everything he can to prove himself worthy of her love. It's clear he's serious about her, and that's going to make their story even more powerful. But as always, not everyone is happy about it. Enter Gracie. I'll be honest, she's a complicated one. From the moment she showed up in Hudson, something just felt off. She wasn't around when her family needed her most, and suddenly she reappears right before their father's possible death, demanding to be a co-owner. It feels rushed, doesn't it? After that emotional kiss by the lake, Amy and Nathan will finally make things official and tell their families. But Gracie? She's not taking it well. In fact, she'll confront Nathan directly, and it's clear she can't stand Amy's family. What's even more confusing is that she used to be close with Amy's mother, Marion. So, what happened between them? Why the resentment now? That mystery alone will keep fans talking for weeks. Meanwhile, Lou and Jack are faced with one of the hardest choices yet. They've discovered that Price Beef, the company tied to Nathan's business, has been supplementing their cattle with grain. Doing the right thing means exposing the truth. But it could completely destroy Nathan's career and his relationship with Amy. It's one of those impossible Heartland moments. Do you protect family, or do you tell the truth? Nathan clearly wants to move forward and find peace with Amy. He's even trying to convince his sister to finalize a deal with Heartland. But it won't come easy. Gracie's anger runs deep, and we'll see just how far she's willing to go to get her way. And here's something that fans have been buzzing about: the Nathan versus Caleb confrontation. A leaked photo showed Caleb, Ashley, Amy, and Nathan together during what seems to be a short vacation. But it's not all smiles. That same trip leads to a tense moment between Nathan and Caleb, where it becomes clear that Caleb still isn't over Amy. Nathan admits that he feels like he can't live up to Ty, Amy's late husband, and honestly, that revelation hits hard. Even though Ty has been gone for 5 seasons, his presence still lingers. This might be the first and last trip these couples take together. Now, about Tim. Remember how he turned down that big job offer after learning he was going to be a grandfather? That decision left fans wondering what's next for him. But here's the twist. Actor Chris Potter hasn't been spotted in any behind-the-scenes photos or videos for Season 19, and he doesn't appear in the trailer either. That has a lot of fans thinking his role might be smaller this season. It's surprising, especially after how Season 18 ended, but it might hint at a shift in focus for the new storylines. But don't worry. There's some fantastic news, too. Georgie is coming back! Alicia Newton is officially returning in Episode 10, and fans couldn't be more excited. We haven't seen her with her family since Season 14, and it's about time we get that reunion we've all been waiting for. Hopefully, this means we'll be seeing more of her in Season 20 as well. So, to sum it all up, we've got love, betrayal, danger, and reunions all packed into this season. From Amy's life-changing decisions to Nathan's emotional struggle, from Gracie's hidden motives to Lou and Jack's moral dilemmas, Season 19 is shaping up to be one of the most emotional rides Heartland has ever given us. And the best part? The wait is almost over. In just 6 days, on October 5th, we'll finally get to watch the first 2 episodes back-to-back, with the rest releasing weekly. If this is just the beginning, imagine what's coming next. Get ready, because Heartland Season 19 is about to remind us all why we fell in love with this show in the first place.